Hello YouTube, this is the Colin Cash Show, and if you're watching this video, I'm going to show you how to build a website that's interactive. Alright, let's get started. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to open up WebStorm or your any IDE that you are using. Preferably, you could do WebStorm, which I really recommend, or what you could do is you could just use Notepad, because Notepad++ or any Notepad works great. Alright, now it'll prompt you to create a new project. I guess we'll do an empty project. We'll call it untitled. Alright, so in this project, what it's going to do, we're going to go to our library in what we're searching for. And as you can see, it's empty, so we're going to go new, JavaScript file. Alright, we're going to call this odd underscore or underscore even. Okay. And also what we're going to do is we're going to go to new, and we're going to go to HTML file. And now what we're going to say is we're going to say, we'll just call this website. Right. Now in this file we can make a title. We're going to call this the Colin Cash Show. Why not? And in our body we're going to need to make a script. And we're going to call this script source equals, and then wherever our script is located. Since it's located in our directory, we can just call this script, just like this. And okay, so that's opening up the script. Now what we're going to do is, since we have the whole site set up, because all we want to do is make it interactive, we're not going to go through and make a fancy looking site. This is just to show you how to create a site that's interactive using JavaScript and HTML. We're going to make our JavaScript code. Alright, so we're going to need to make a function. And we'll call this function run me. Not ruin me, run me. Alright, so now in this function we need to, what I think a good interactive test would be, just to show you how to make it, is to determine whether a number is odd or even. So get the user to input a number, and then the site determines and tells the user whether it's odd or even. It's a good test too, because you can easily see whether the number's odd or even. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to need to make a variable to hold the user input. So variable user input equals prompt. And we are going to prompt the user, enter any number. And so the variable is going to be stored in user input. And now what we're going to do is we're going to determine whether that number is odd or even. So we're going to use a modulus. If user input modulus 2, which means divide by 2 and then check the remainder, if that's equal to 0, that means the number's even. So we're going to say confirm the number and then we're going to display the number is even, just like that. Now if it's not even, it has to be odd, so we're going to say else confirm the number is odd. Alright, now that we've got this done, we want this to run right when we start the program. So if we can get it to run right when we start the program, we want to make a run statement. So we're going to make a statement in here. Let me add that exclamation point just to make it all front. Alright, so we're going to say run me. and call that run function. Now what we want to do was unused local variable. I used it, right? Didn't I? Did I spell something wrong? User input. Okay, no, I'm pretty sure that's correct. US. Okay, well, that's odd. Alright, there it goes. It just recognized it. Alright, so what we want to do is we want to make a button to where this will keep running, so we can just make that website. We could say, okay, well, keep running this game. Like, play again, play again, play again. So we're going to go to the website, and we're going to need to make something in the body. So inside this body, we're going to call a button. We're going to name this button. We're going to say on click. We're going to say run me. Perfect. And then we're going to close that. And we're going to say in this button, we'll say play again. And we're going to save this. So this is again very basic, but this is just to show you how to make an interactive website. If you follow my channel, we'll be making more interactive websites and a lot more advanced coding later on in the future. But like I said, again, this is just the basics. Alright, so we're going to run this. And it says enter any number. I'm going to say 16. Ah, the number 16 is even. Oh, great. Thank you. Alright, play again. Yeah, of course. And we're going to do an odd one. Ah, the number blah 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 is odd. Alright, great. Thank you. Alright, so this works in every single HTML, and you can make this in Notepad or Notepad++, any third-party app, really. And I really recommend any JetBrains IDE because I really love JetBrains. I love IntelliJ, and I really like WebStorm. I've been using this for about 3 days, WebStorm, and I really enjoy it. Alright, so that was that, and thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please comment. Appreciate it. Thank you. See you next time.